Excuse me, young lady. Oh, hi, Mom. You are grounded for 1,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000 years. I wanted to go on the cruise. Sorry, Mom. No, I'm cruising. No challenge. This is the best day ever. Johnny, never sleep on it. What? Breaking news. 2 idiots just purchased the Royal Caribbean Symphony of the Seas. Jennifer and Johnny. What? Shh, grab it quick, Johnny. Got it. Processing. Confirmed. We just booked the whole cruise ship. Pack faster. What in the world? Jennifer! Johnny, you both grab it for absolute infinity years. That doesn't sound good. Georgie, Mom's credit card. We're buying our own cruise ship. How many of the cities here we go? What in the world? Jennifer, Georgie, I want to consider my card. Maybe? Purchase complete. Yes, time for vacation. Huh? $1,000,000,000? Jennifer, I'm coming for you. Mom, you stole my card? You're grounded for infinity years. Where's my card? Well, Johnny, are you sure about me? Totally sure. And? We're on a whole cruise ship. Your breakfast! What's this charge? $1,000,000,000. Jennifer, Johnny, that's it. This is the way. Sneaky Johnny. Got it. Scrap. And... Woohoo! Time for a cold brew. Let's see what's on the what? Jennifer, you're grounded for infinity years. Got it. Quick, before they wake up. The purchase complete. Congratulations, new owner of Symphony of the Seas. Crazy. Best day ever. So, where's it at? 1,400,000,000. There's a cruise ship going off to the ground. Attention, severe storm approaching. All passengers secure position. Whoa, did you hear that? The storm's coming. All to keep silent. Turn everyone. It's rocking so rising. I can't see anything. How is that?